Hi, how are you? This is Justin Miller with the Chong Miller Group. Come on in, let me show you around. This is 6408 Farness. This is an open house that we have here in the Skystone neighborhood, the Portofino model. Come on in, let's take a look. Please join us for the open house this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, December 1st and 2nd. This is the first open house for this brand new, just completed Portofino model in the Skystone neighborhood. Please also note that you can go to our website, chongmillergroup.com, for additional videos and information about the Cliffs Village of Summerlin, for the Skystone neighborhood, and for other issues associated with buying and selling property in the Las Vegas Valley. We look forward to seeing you. Thank you.